Hi, my name is Connor, and this is my kitchen. Today, I'm making pork carnitas. So carnitas is a dish that originated in the Mexican state of Michoacan. It's usually a whole pork shoulder or a pork loin, cut up into small pieces and braised in lard or oil with some aromatics. And today I'm going to do my version in a slow cooker. I'm going to pair that with some corn salsa and put them on a taco with some lettuce. With all that said, let's get cooking.
So we're gonna go ahead and start off with one red onion that we're gonna cut in half, cut the tops off, and cut into nice radial slices just like this. Then we're gonna go ahead and take 9 cloves of garlic, smash them, get those peels off, compost them. Big boy time. We're gonna take this big pork shoulder and cut it into nice manageable pieces, about 2 by 2 inches. At first here I cut them a little bit too big, but I'm gonna realize it's too big, throw it down, cut it in half, and that's about what you're looking for. Now once we have all of it cut up, we're gonna liberally season with kosher salt and give it a nice massage. Make sure all of that salt gets distributed evenly throughout the meat. Now we're gonna bust out the slow cooker and put all of our pork into it. Once we have all that pork in there, we're going to put all 9 of our garlic cloves in and our whole radial sliced onion. Now we're going to add 2 cups of water and 1 cup of lard. Make sure you always save the fats when you're cooking. It's liquid gold. You're going to be able to use it on so many things. It's just awesome to have on hand, I promise. Now we're gonna add a little bit of oregano. If you can use Mexican oregano, that would be amazing. I couldn't get my hands on it, so I just use regular. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add some lime juice. Use fresh lime juice, I was being lazy. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix all of it up, make sure everything is thoroughly incorporated. And we're gonna add a few bay leaves to the mix. And if you want precise measurements, it's all in the description below. We're gonna go ahead and cover that and set it on high for about 6 hours. And we're gonna cut the tops off of 4 Roma tomatoes, cut them in half vertically, and seed them. We just want the flesh. We're gonna make sort of a pico. It's kind of a salsa, but you know, mix between the two. Bust out the blowtorch, and now we're gonna torch these corn cobs. Now make sure you get a nice torch on them. You want them to get some good color on them. You want to develop a nice roasty flavor. I roasted 4 here, but I only needed 2, so I threw the other 2 to the chickens. You're gonna want to stand it up on the side like this and cut down, trying to miss the center. Now you're gonna mix all of your tomatoes and corn up and add some more oregano to it. Grate a clove of garlic into the mix. Add some kosher salt to taste. Mix it up. And then we're gonna go ahead and add some more lime juice. Mix that bad boy up again. And now the carnitas have been on for about 6 hours on high. I have about 3 tablespoons of bacon fat or lard in this pan, very hot. I'm gonna take the pieces out of my slow cooker and put them into this pan so they get super crisp, have a nice crunch on them. Onions will pick up some crunch too. And that's why I didn't add any onions into that salsa, because we already have those onions in with the carnitas. So once you put it all together, it's gonna be nice and tasty. Make sure you steam up your camera here and make everything look stupid. You're gonna take a flour tortilla, add some of our carnitas meat, make sure you get a generous portion, add our salsa and our lettuce, and there you have it. That is a pork carnitas taco. Now I hope you liked the video, and I hope you try this recipe. It's so worth it. It is just one of the best things ever. I think it is just, you have to try it. Words cannot do this justice.